finally home from work, and there's two things. One, I read that that fan will stay on if this is unplugged. I left it unplugged because I was like, oh, the AC's not working anyway, so who needs it? So I should be able to plug this back in, and it shouldn't run all the time. It shouldn't run at all if the compressor's not on. And then these two guys off the dirt. I'm gonna get some gloves. Okay, so this heater and the fuel pump apparently are the same plug. I didn't think, and I remember goofing with them. I hope they're the same plug. Somebody said that if you have them mixed up, that well, maybe that one and this one, that it won't run right because I'm not getting any codes. There's the one in the back. Yeah, so these two, I remember kind of going back and forth trying to figure out which one was which, and I didn't label them because it's kind of silly. Should have labeled plugs. I just kind of figured that there weren't very many and they're probably different from each other, but they're not. They're identical. And this one's got a broken piece on it. I don't know. I don't remember that being broken or not, but it's pretty tight. Yeah, so these are interchangeable. We have a pressure thing for the pump, some kind of who knows, switch, something, and then this heated line. And if you have them backwards, apparently it'll do some real funky stuff. It doesn't seem right to me. Like, this doesn't feel natural the way it plugs in. Like, it's got the part that points away. Well, you know what? I can leave the heater unplugged. All it does is give me a code. That way, if I was correct, well, it shouldn't matter. It's just a signal. I don't think it's going to hurt anything. So, alright, well, let's give that a shot. Maybe it'll stay running this time, or maybe it won't start at all. I think that's longer than it's run before, so that must have been all it was. They had those swapped. It's nice and smooth. No pulses in the exhaust with those old injectors. Yeah. Cool. Well, it's just a never-ending fucking shit show. My rear line must have gone. Yep. So, not driving the van yet, but at least they fixed the vacuum leak enough so that it could blow that line to smithereens. I'm not doing that tonight. I'm just gonna get this thing back up by the garage and get a pan under it.